Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to E-Commerce Know-How, the best websites to get paid to watch videos online. Number 1. Swagbucks Video. Swagbucks is one of the largest reward sites around, having paid out over $450 million. This site lets you watch videos to earn points, which are called SBs. Each SB is worth about 1 cent and there's no minimum withdrawal amount, although most rewards start at $3. Payment options include gift cards for popular retailers like Amazon, Target, and Walmart, as well as real money sent to your PayPal account. The video topics are varied, including entertainment, travel, and more, and you can pick what interests you. The site also gives you the chance to make money by taking online surveys, through cashback shopping, and a whole lot more. In fact, our Swagbucks review highlights over 20 different ways to make money on the site. There is a $10 bonus for signing up, but it's only earned after you spend at least $25 at a store through Swagbucks Shop. There is no sign-up bonus for only watching videos. Swagbucks easily tops your list thanks to its wide variety of ways to earn, its low minimum cash out, the quality of its online video content, and its solid reputation. Get paid to shop online, watch videos, take surveys, and play games with this all-in-one reward site. Redeem your points for gift cards and PayPal cash starting at just $3. Number 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars pays you in cash, not points, for watching things like television shows, movie previews, cooking commercials, and more. As a general reward site like Swagbucks, the two sites are owned by the same parent company. You can also earn extra money by taking online surveys, reading emails using their cashback shopping portal, and redeeming their printable coupons. You can learn more about how the site works in their comprehensive Inbox Dollars review. The site has a very good reputation, having paid out over $59 million in cash rewards to its members, and both its iOS and Android apps have solid ratings from over 100,000 reviewers on each platform. However, be aware that you can only get paid to watch videos via your desktop browser, not in the apps. You'll get a $5 bonus upon signing up and activating your account. Unlike Swagbucks, there is no requirement to use the Inbox Dollars cashback shopping portal to earn this bonus. Note that the one downside to Inbox Dollars is its $30 minimum payout. If you're primarily using the site for watching videos, which don't pay very much per view, it will take a while to hit that threshold. For those who frequently shop online or don't mind taking surveys, hitting that $30 benchmark will come much faster. Number 3. Vindale Research. Vindale Research is one of the larger online survey sites. Through Vindale Video, it provides the opportunity for users to watch a short video and then complete an accompanying survey. However, there are a limited number of these types of surveys, so it's a good site to sign up for and then monitor for high-paying opportunities. In other words, they don't have the large inventory that a site like Swagbucks offers, which means you probably won't have videos to watch on a daily basis. But when video surveys are available, they tend to be among the better-paying options on this list. On top of that, Vindale is known for its long-term surveys, some of which can pay up to $50 upon completion. This makes it easier to hit their rather high $50 minimum payout threshold. Vindale doesn't have a standalone app, but its mobile-optimized website allows you to watch videos on both desktop and your smartphone. Number 4. MyPoints. MyPoints pays you in points for watching videos, taking surveys, printing coupons, and playing games. Your points are redeemable for free gift cards, PayPal money, and even travel points. The site's minimum withdrawal is around $3 depending on the option you choose, which is not too difficult for most users to hit, given the variety of ways there are to earn on the platform. It's worth noting that MyPoints has two separate apps, the main MyPoints mobile app and Daily Scoop, which is devoted entirely to video content. Unfortunately, Daily Scoop is only available for Android devices, and some reviewers have reported that it doesn't always have a full inventory of videos. You can earn a $10 sign-up bonus by spending at least $20 through MyPoints cashback shopping portal. Number 5. Fusion Cash. Signing up for Fusion Cash is quick and easy, and you'll get a $10 sign-up bonus just for joining. Like many of the other sites mentioned in the article, you can make money not only by watching videos but also by taking surveys and completing a variety of other get paid to tasks. Fusion Cash is one of the smaller sites on this list, and it has mixed to below average reviews from users. For example, it garnered only a 3.1 rating on Trustpilot on a 1 to 5 scale and received an F rating from the BBB. One of the most common user complaints is that your earnings expire if you don't cash them out within 180 days of being credited to your account. Since the site's minimum withdrawal is relatively high at $25, there is some risk that you may not be able to earn enough money at cash out within that window. If you do, you'll have the choice of getting paid via paper check, direct deposit, or PayPal. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.